Stop smoking, I said.
Okay.
Yes.
Put you with this.
Hold on a chair.
Hold
Get
on.
one. I'm not faster than that. Don't squeeze my hand or I'll kick you right in the
Okay,
you know
Marley.
what.
Marley, you start. What are you thankful for most in the world?
Circle.
You that?
Davis,
I was for a toy robot.
thankful for his robot, okay. Malcolm, are you thankful for something?
What are you
What?
thankful? Are you thankful for cousins?
There, good
Yeah.
one.
Lauren, what are you thankful for?
Say shit.
Larry, what are you thankful for? Uncle Craig.
Stuffing and pies.
Take
Happy
her.
birthday to everybody.
Family.
Happy birthday to Waterloo. Happy
Family.
birthday to
What are you
Waterloo.
thankful
Happy
for?
birthday, dear Waterloo.
The world and all the people in it, that was a good one.
All right. I'm thankful for everybody's health, that we could all be here today together.
Yay.
Yay. Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm just like Paige, I'm thankful for family, for all of you guys, to have you all together, and I love you all. Thank you.
Woo!
I'm glad it's so frisky.
And you stepped on a turn.
He's still in shock, Mom. He's still in shock. Okay, we'll come back to you. It was hard for you to start. What are you thankful for, Marley?
Jennifer's turn. Jennifer.
I'm thankful for being back in Nova Scotia so we can be with our family all the time.
Oh, that's very nice. You must-
And Nana, what are you thankful
God
for?
knows. I'm thankful to have us all here together.
And vodka and tonic.
Can't wait for the gobble gobble.
Marley, what did you come up with? It was hard for
Brett, are
Marley.
you thankful for anything?
He said, I'm thankful for being frisky.
Oh, for Brett?
I'm thankful for that we're all here.
Yeah.
And we're all healthy.
Great,
And
wow.
I'm holding hands with Grant with spoon
Aw.
later.
Hey,